Put in the RV go. Oh no.
It's okay. It's still
Um.
safe at the moment.
How is it? Are we bugged? Is that what's happening?
No, it started driving. I need you to be in there when we get this thing up, and then you need to floor it.
I don't think I can make it in there. Alright, I got it. God, this is a steep angle. I can't climb. Alright, I'm putting it in the first gear. Taking the brake.
Punch that shit! Okay, wait a sec. Let me detach.
I have to hold W. I have to hold W.
That's good. Yes, keep holding that. Bro, park!
That was genuine fear. That is genuine fear.
Yeah, because you ran me over.
Oh.